Cats go crazy for ArmarKat brand cat trees and pet beds, your best choice for cat scratching, playing, climbing, and sleeping. For 20 years, ArmarKat has developed the broadest line of cat trees with the most features. You'll find cat perches, cat condos, playhouses, swinging ropes and ladders, hammocks, baskets, and running ramps in sizes from small and compact to large and sprawling. What they all have in common are durable sisal scratching posts that cats are attracted to instead of your good furniture. Cat trees are covered in faux fur, faux fleece, or treated carpet to withstand years of use and abuse. They're even available in select hardwood. Instructional diagrams make ArmarKat trees fast and easy to assemble. You get an Allen wrench and assorted screws. That's all you need. Routine maintenance means checking monthly that all screws are tight. As the most reliable cat tree manufacturer, ArmarKat is the only one to provide replacement parts. ArmarKat, providing fun and relaxation for pets worldwide.